welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make unicorn bookmark. So let's get started. So first what you will need is a square piece of paper. Then twist it to make a diamond. Bring the bottom corner to the top. Now you bring the pointy corner to this one and repeat. Then open up and bring the flap down. Now bring the flap over and repeat. Now tuck it under and repeat other side. Bookmark is ready. Now it's time to decorate it. Here I cut corn shape and some flower shape on written form sheet. Then I pasted. Then I outline unicorn eyes with black marker. Now our beautiful unicorn bookmark is ready.